everyone. We're going to the shops because we've bought something quite cool for our travels and for our vlogging. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what we're gonna get.
Yeah.
Jalli's gonna drive us, by the way.
Yeah, my panic driving.
Alright, so it's the next day. We opened up our drone, charged all the batteries. What else did we do? Downloaded the app.
Yeah, and we don't know how to fly yet though.
Yeah, so we're gonna go now to an open space to try and have our first flight. So let's have a look how that goes. So you're taking us to a drone spot. Can we fly near those windmills? Okay, so the drone is on the takeoff pad, which is our bit of cardboard. Our CAA, Civil Aviation Authority certified pilot, who just passed her test, is looking at the controller as if she has no idea what she's doing. So let's have a try at the first flight.
I have no idea.
So go on, just...
I'm so scared. Is it return to home?
No.
Yeah, it's return to home.
There is return to home, but we're already at home.
Oh my god! Oh, I can see everything. Oh!
Sounds like a swarm of bees coming towards us. Look at that. Okay, so in our search for somewhere to fly our drone, we have found some sheep. Okay, so we've come to the coast to fly our drone. There's a little bit of rain, but we're going to try and see if we can find a quiet spot and get some great images. So have a look. Alright, let's go.
They go?
Yep. check out that scenery. We're out on day 3 of droning.
Yeah.
Yep, we're out and about again to find another spot to fly our drone. And I think we can probably go up there if you see that road winding up to the forest up there. So, shall we go?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, so we had a great weekend with our new little friend. We've taken it to some great places, so we're hoping for some really good footage in the future and hoping for some new adventures with this guy. He's struggling a bit in the wind, so we're going to head off. See you later.